Circle theorems. In this video, I will discuss the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180. Look at the circle. So the parts of the circles are labeled the angle, chords, center, radius, and the arc. Now I am going to create the cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral means the 4 points of the quadrilateral is on the circumference of the circle. The 4 points of the quadrilateral lies on the circumference of the circle. Point 1, that I am marking the points in green, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see all 4 points of the quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles adds up to 180 degrees. So let's look at this example. In this example, you can clearly see the angle B and B are opposite, angle A and C are opposite. So that angle B plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. 95 plus 85 equals 180. Whereas angle A and angle C are 180. Angle C is 62. Angle A is 180. So it adds up to 180 degrees. Look at this figure. 116 and the angle X adds up to 180 degrees because the quadrilateral lies on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. The two angles adds up to 180. 116 plus 64 equals 180. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180. A, B, C and D are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. So this is the figure. You can see that A, B, C, D creates a cyclic quadrilateral. Firstly, we can find angle A because the half of 156, angle at the center is 156, angle at the circumference is half of it, which is 78. That is a previous circle theorem that you learned. And then it's a cyclic quadrilateral, which the opposite angle A and C adds up to 180 degrees. Angle C is 102. 78 plus 102, angle C 102, angle A 78. It is the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Next, the diagram shows a circle center O. A, B and C are points on the circumference of the circle. Angle AOC is 140. Now when you read the sum itself, you can see that there are only 3 points on the circumference. Therefore, AOCB is not a cyclic quadrilateral because we have only 1, 2, 3 points lying on the circumference. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. What we can do here is, I am going to create a cyclic quadrilateral by joining C and A to the circumference. Now you can see point C, B, A along with the new point over here creates a cyclic quadrilateral. The first thing we can do here is angle at the center O is twice of the angle at the circumference. So this angle you can say it as 70 degrees. Then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. 70 plus angle B is 180. It adds up to 180. In the next video, we will discuss alternate segment theorem.